I'm going to show you guys something that I've been real excited about. This is the all-terrain airless cart by a company called Suspenz. I wanted to get a good cart. I wanted to get something that was kind of like all-terrain, and sure enough, the Suspenz all-terrain Super Duty comes in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unbox. I've not opened it. I just got it in the mail today, so I'm going to do a video on unboxing it. So you're seeing it for the first time that I'm seeing it right here. So I have no idea. So yeah, let's check this out. So yeah, let's get a knife and go to this. Suspenz company has been around for a while. They make kayak racks. They make a wide variety of carts. You can kind of see how happy that guy is. See what I'm saying? So he's got the all-terrain cart, which is what's in here. And this one has the larger style wheel for going up over rocks and roots and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it open now and try not to cut myself. Okay, there we go. So we might not need that. I don't know what tools come, how hard this thing is to set up or anything. I'm unboxing it right here for you guys. This is what you would get if you ordered it from Suspenz, so I have no idea. Well, there you go. Okay. Well, I think that's it. Nicely packaged. They did a good job with the package. They, you know, it come in this box. It had some extra packaging. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it has the larger, tall bunker style bars, and I think that's what they're calling a bunker bar. That's what's coming up, and that's a long. It lifts up higher to avoid that way you got a larger wheel clearance when you lift those bunkers up. And it does fold down, so it folds down to 31 by 16 by 6. So you can see how it folds down to go up inside the boat in a tank well or whatever. So yeah, there you go. Bunker bars adjust to 5 different positions. So it's got 15-inch Maglite wheels. That's a 15-inch wheel. That is definitely a huge wheel to be on a cart. It's the largest wheel I've ever seen on a kayak cart, by the way. So these are no flat airless tires. So those are solid rubber tires. Those do not have tubes in them. Spring-loaded kickstand. I guess it does have a little small kickstand on it. Stainless steel hardware, 4 locking pins, got it. 2 sets of tie downs, 2 sets of tie down straps. There's the tie down strap. Adjustable bunker bars. So these bars are adjustable there. Oversized heavy duty foam padding. I see the foam padding. That's what these are. So far looking at it, the thing looks quality. You know, it has a really nice quality feel. It says cart weight 17 pounds. We're going to weigh that and check that because that feels heavier than 17 pounds. So I don't know. It's called a hammer tone titanium finish. How cool does that sound? I've never had a hammer tone finish on anything. So it's a powder coated steel frame. This is all powder coated to help with rust. You can see how nicely that looks. All of that looks really good. So far I'm really liking it. I don't know how much tools I need, but right now it looks like I need to cut those things. Let's cut these things. Good thing it's an airless tire because I almost poked a hole in it. Well, look at the size of that wheel. Yeah, that's that large 15-inch wheels right there. I'm going to set these aside. That's a basic cam lock. We'll set these aside. I don't think I need these right now. All right, nice little booklet. Yeah, there we go. This is for packaging only, by the way. You pull these off. That's basically to protect that nut during transport. So you do discard those. It looks pretty simple. I don't think I really need to do much on the instructions. Oh, some bubble wrap. For all you dorks out there that want to sit around popping bubbles all day. It's a very weak bubble wrap. There we go. So they've got these little locking pins that are tethered on right here. That's smart. I'm going to take those little things off. Now that I've untethered them, let's hope I don't lose them. Right here, it looks like that's where the wheels are going to go. It looks like they've got the, I think that's called a poly knob. I've always called that a poly knob. That goes on the outside like that. It looks like it goes like that. That is not a lock nut. That looks to just be, so then you take the nut off. Yeah, so there's the wheel on that side. Well, that's good. So now let's take that knob off. That. It looks like the knobs go, like I said, the knobs will go on the outside. Pretty quick. Well, that's pretty good. I just got them snug in there. By the way, I did mash my finger trying to put all this together. Just if you guys are noticing now, I have a piece of tape on my finger. I mashed my finger and I had to go cry for about 10 minutes in the bathroom. So, tears of excitement and tears of pain putting this cart together for you guys. My pain is bringing you guys information. That is it. Well, the cart is together. Look at that. It looks like just, you know, some foam around a bar with canvas, and you've got these adjustments here. It looks like you just adjust like that. Well, there you go. So you're going to find your depth. So you're going to roll your boat over and then find your depth, and it does look like they're using a Bonafide. That's a Bonafide SS 107 right there. I could tell by the hull. Find more, like it looks like more central, like right behind the seat, between the seat and tank well. That's where they're suggesting you find it. So I'm going to roll my boat over here in a minute, find that distance, and I should be good to go. It looks like they've actually included a QR code. Let's see what happens. Well, look at that. I haven't looked. What come up? Did it come up?
See these plastic totes right here? Well, I'm going to show you something right now. Some people are
a commercial
that they might have to go for a long period of time without.
Well, look at that. It did. Good job to Suspenz. Their QR code actually went to their YouTube page. Well, there you go. I like to always verify these kind of things, you know, when they put stuff on there. I do like to verify it. I've actually made instructions. One of the things I've done, I've written instructions like this before. One thing I highly recommend is verify that it actually goes to where it says it's going to go. So good job on Suspenz on doing that. But I can tell you guys, it doesn't look like this is very complicated. I could have figured this out completely without even without using the instructions. It looks like it's self-explanatory. I just like putting things together the way it was designed. And these things, this is made for shipping. So you're going to take these off. That is nothing used. Maybe you could use those for something. You guys make these your little stress balls that you squeeze on every day. But yeah, so those are just for shipping there. Looking at it, very sturdy, very well made. It's got a little kickstand. The kickstand kicks up there. Okay, let's see how they, all right, so I've got my Crescent CK1 here. I'm going to go ahead and set it up for the CK1. The first thing I'm going to do, it says, is to lay it down. You can see this has, the Crescent boats have sort of an unusual style hull. It's like a hybrid with all these rails going through it, and it looks like I want to be right in there. That's where I'd like to have this set up. So you see that set up. I see several holes I can line up there. So I'm going to set that up there. We're good on that side. Good on that side. Same deal here. Now see, I'm about where the back of the seat and the tank well's where I want to be. I think that got it. Yep. That feels pretty sturdy right there. All right, you can see right there how I set that up, how the strap, how I had the foam pieces hitting here and here. Because of the style of the Crescent hull, it has these kind of lines. It's not not a very like pontoon style hull, because it has these ridges in it for structure. And I wanted a cart that would fit like this and fit the Bonafide boats and a native boat with a pontoon style, but then also be able to close up and fit more like a touring style boat. So yeah, this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and mount the straps, and then I'm going to take it to the river. I'm going to take it to the lake. I'm going to do a little trip. I'm going to actually test it out, walking down some trails, actually test it out for you guys and let you see how well this thing works. This is kind of like a quick setup right here. There's not much I can do here, so I'm going to go ahead and set it up, get it ready, and then I'll cut to that. But yeah, that's all I got for the unboxing and setup of the Suspenz all-terrain airless cart. Check these guys out. I'll leave a link in the description on where you could pick one of these up. So far, very impressed with the build quality, very impressive. It looks premium. This looks like a premium cart. This does not look like anything else I've seen on the market. This has a very premium feel to it, very sturdy. It looks like it's like of value. So we'll see. You know, you never know until you put them to the test. So yeah, thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching, and go over and check out the on trail review. So I'm actually going to do a review of pulling this thing around, and we'll see how the setup and review, and I'll also try it on some Bonafide boats too. So yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Yeah. Owie.